Hello there, this is me again with my 2007 Toyota Rav4. Remember I told you I'm gonna make part two of figuring out what's going on with this check engine light, 4-wheel drive and VSC lights. So, and I said one of the code that I found out was to change the O2 sensor. I want to show you that light here is a new O2 sensor right there. I just got it done. If you can look up here, we just connect it. I hope you can see this. Yeah. Alright, so after I change out, now I'm gonna go ahead and see whether those check lights gonna clear off. So, I'll go ahead and start the car.
Power on. Power on. The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
All 4-wheel drive VSC.
The Bluetooth is connected successfully.
You shut up. So what I'll do is I'll drive this vehicle around and see whether these lights are gonna go off, because I just changed the O2 sensor and I had gone to the outer zone, and if you can see right here on this outer zone, they say change the O2 sensor, bank 1, and the code was P0136 from outer zone. So let's go ahead and drive this vehicle around, and after I drive it around, I also had a different reading from a different outer zone. I had at least 2 to make sure that it's the actual code. So I'll drive around and see whether these codes are gonna clear off. So stay with me, still one more video, see what happened. Stay tuned for this project. In case of any question, put it on the comment, and if you have an idea of what I can do as well, put it on the comment, subscribe. Let's keep this rolling. Bye.